Welcome to Shape Software. This video tutorial will cover our Google Maps integration within the Lead Details pages. Not every system has the Google Map integration. However, every system that we have does have the address linked to Google. So I'm going to cover address fields as well as the Google Map functionality. When you start entering in an address into any of the address fields, a list of options will show up. These are most likely going to be somewhere near you. When you go ahead and choose the correct address, the rest of the fields will populate to minimize your entry. If you do have a map, it's also going to show that address on the map. And just like any Google map outside of the system, you can zoom in. You can also put yourself in front of the house in question. You can also move around the area. So just like Google Maps outside of Shape, you can use it the same way within Shape. Going back out, you can also look at satellite view. This comes into play, especially in the solar industry, because you can check where the shadows are, etc. If you have any questions regarding our Google Maps integration, you can reach out to your account manager, your sales rep, your onboarding specialist, or you can send an email to support@setshape.com.